Okay, good morning again, everybody. It's now 7:14 a.m. on 3/7/2018. My last video today, earlier this morning, was basically talking about the new Ripple app, the Moneytap app, and basically going over the market. Now, this video is going to be talking about what happened yesterday, and also the basic Coinbase index fund that is now new that they're offering. And this, in my opinion, is the beginning of Coinbase expanding their coin offerings, because you would not offer a index fund that just basically mirrors the GDAX and Coinbase websites in a different look, but just showing you what's going on in the market on four coins. That doesn't make sense. That's basically they're going to be expanding soon, and that's why they're putting this index fund out there. On the MoneyTap app, basically you had that big news from Brad Garlinghouse yesterday, and also you had Coinbase's CEO going on and basically saying that there'd be no additions at the moment, no Ripple coming at the moment. So you can see what they did, even though there was breaking news with the resignation of Gary Cohen, for the economy secretary. What you had there, they used it as an excuse. You're not going to have the CEO of Coinbase sitting next to or sitting across from the Ripple CEO and say, no, we're not adding Ripple right now. And that deflates what's going on in the interview. People would just be going, ugh. And then Brad's going to be announcing his new product, and that would be not as much of a big news because people are just thinking, no Ripple on Coinbase. So what you basically saw CNBC do was separate the two and use the excuse of and of course breaking news did take a lot of their time up. But what they did is separate the two, let Coinbase offer their new product, the index fund, and talk about their plans, and then have Ripple go on their own and talk about this beautiful new MoneyTap app with 61 banks in Japan. And this is just another thing that shows you how they are expanding, growing, and taking over the payment processing in the world. So you have that going to be released today on CNBC's Fast Money. You'll see that interview. With the Coinbase asset management site, excuse me, all it is just like I said, you're going to have to register for it for U.S. residents only. And then being able to invest, it's redundant in my opinion. You're going to see more of seeing what the economy is doing on the site, but it's basically redundant because you have just four coins available, and you have GDAX and you have Coinbase. So why would you want to fund this account and register this account if you have the same features on GDAX with no fees on GDAX? It doesn't make sense yet. What it's going to be is that when they add in more coins and more tokens and become a full-fledged exchange, like the worldwide exchanges, you're going to see this will be a asset fund for big investors, small investors that can watch the market and have one place to just check everything out. And that'll be good for down the road. Okay, so just want to explain the Coinbase Index Fund new site. I'll leave that link for you down in the description, along with the update on the MoneyTap app for Ripple. And I'll be in touch later today.